What are you doing? Stacking up some blocks? Whoa. It's pretty hard with those ones, huh? Good job. You gotta put it in the right color. There you go. Yay! Did you do that? Yay! Good job. That's the hard one. The heart always gives you the trouble. Oh, I just skipped that one then. Good job. Whoa. That one's kind of hard too. Gonna make it go in no matter what. All right. Back to the heart. That one goes in a different puzzle, right? No, it doesn't go in there. It won't fit in this puzzle. It goes in the poop plane. You can try, but it's not gonna fit. Good job, get it in there. Nobody likes that one. Oh well. See you later.